Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of V. Alright y'all, so yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I just got delivered. I got this delivered from Amazon, and I paid about 30 bucks for it, which is pretty pricey because it's sold out right now at Walmart, but it was like $22 to $25 at Walmart. So anyway, I really needed one. I've been wanting to get one for a very, very long time now, but I just never really thought to get it until my sister kept telling me about it, because she actually has this exact one. Now, I've been looking for a humidifier because my boyfriend has asthma, and his asthma only flares up if the air is really dry or if he has a cold. And you put those two things together and he's coughing up a storm at night while he's sleeping. So I never really knew the difference between a humidifier and a dehumidifier, honestly, because I've never really had those type of issues where I needed to care. We currently have a dehumidifier in our room. It's super old, and to me, I always was like, well, it's not working, because he still was always coughing in the middle of the night. You know, the air is real dry, whatever. So then he was like, no, we need a humidifier with the air coming out of it, with the mist coming out of it. And I'm like, okay. And then my sister showed me hers, and she was like, it is awesome. She was telling me how um it felt like a cool um summer day in her house. Like, she was really pumping it up. So I was like, you know what, I'm about to buy it. And literally that same day I went on looking for it, and I couldn't find it at Walmart, seen it at Amazon, and I was like, I'm just gonna buy it. So here it is, guys, and I am about to unbox it. I'm not gonna use it um just because, like, I'll videotape me using it in my room, because that's where it's actually going to be at. um but I am gonna unbox it and show you guys what it comes with, so stay tuned for that. All right, you guys, so hopefully you guys can see this. Y'all know my lighting is bad in my house, so don't judge me. But I am excited to use this. Actually, my boyfriend is asleep right now, but I'm gonna wait till he wakes up to actually use it. Now, my sister, she actually buys gallons of water to put in this thing, and I'm not doing all that. Like, I get that, I don't know the benefits of buying gallons of water. I'm sure it's probably healthier for the air. I don't know, but I'm not doing that. I'll be using tap water. All right, unboxing it straight from taking it out the box. You get your guide, okay, and inside of the guide has some coupons. You guys, this is the Vicks filter free, which is great because y'all, having to keep buying filters for humidifiers and dehumidifiers can become pricey. So this is actually filter free cool mist humidifier. So Vicks, y'all know Vicks is the, like, Vicks vapor rub. So you definitely can use this when you are sick. And they have coupons. They have $1.50 off your next purchase of either one Vicks humidifier or vaporizer. They have a 75-cent off for any one Vicks Vapo Steam, and then another 75% off of any one Vicks Vapo Pads. And so this is just the user care and manual. Then one Vicks Vapo Pad refill pad comes in it, and it says, use me for soothing menthol vapors using your favorite Vicks humidifier or vaporizer. Y'all, so I'm assuming if you put one of these in your humidifier, it's gonna be like you just put Vicks underneath your nose. That's what I'm assuming. All right, so it comes like this with this little thing on it. Take that off, and out comes the humidifier. Y'all, it's so big too. My sister said it was big. So it has plastic on it that I am going to take off. Let me just make sure there's nothing else in the box. Nothing else in the box. So it has plastic that I'm just going to take off. Y'all, I'm breaking the thing already. Alright. Trying to take the plastic off. Trying. Alright, plastic is off. So, let me get a little closer now. This is what we looking like, y'all. Alright, and this piece comes off. Okay, and y'all, I don't know how to use this, so I'm not even gonna try and give y'all no type of a serious guide. I just know that there's a handle right here. Okay, see, I'm dropping stuff. How do you, y'all, don't have me get the line on how you fill this water up. I'm assuming I don't know. I do not know, but I'm assuming you just put the water in this little hole. Don't have me get the line. I will read the directions, and I will read the directions and film me doing it, I guess. So right here, I do know is where you would put the Vapo pads. Okay, so this is where you would put the Vapo pads at. And then there's an off switch. And this is probably the gauge as to whether you want the steam to come out light or whether you want the steam to come out strong. So here it is, you guys, the Vicks Vapo Steam Humidifier. It was 30 bucks at Amazon if you guys want to go check it out. But before you do, make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end of my video, because I will be showing you guys me filling it up and me actually having it on, and I want to show you guys the steam coming out of it. some of the features for this is that it has an auto shut off, which is good, meaning it's not gonna run all night long. And you can add scent pads for soothing scents. And how much water does this take? I was reading that somewhere. It takes a nice amount of water. Oh yeah, y'all. I had to read these directions, child. Alright, so I don't want to hold y'all up too long. Stay tuned. Watch to the end of the video so that you guys can really see how this thing works. Okay guys, so right here I am filling up the humidifier. Yes, I'm just using like one of my daughter's little cups, and it's taken me a year. I kind of underestimated this, and I really didn't know how much water I wanted to put in, so that's why I got the little cup. But that's what this clip is. I am in my bathroom doing this, and I'm just going to continue to keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until, you know, eventually I was like, you know what, this ain't it. This is not it. And I'm not about to fill this whole thing up because it's going to take forever. Alright, so now I'm putting on a little cap, and it's like a little lock. You guys have to make sure that it snaps in place. If not, it will, all the water will come out. And so at this point, I'm turning it on, and the directions state that you're supposed to turn it on high, at least until your room gets the amount of moisture that you are looking for. And when I first turned it on, you know, I was waiting for all this steam and this is that and the third, and it wasn't flowing like that at first. But as I continued to keep it on, the steam definitely started to come out a lot more, like a lot more. So here I'm just showing you the green light indicates that it is on, and I'm trying to show you guys the steam because at this point some steam is coming out. You can't really see it on camera that well. Yeah, you can barely see it. Like if you're looking really close, you can see the steam coming out. But it's definitely coming out lightly at this point. And this is like a little spout that the steam can come out of, and you can turn it from the left to the right or keep it in the middle, and it directs the steam. Or you can take it off, and when you take it off, you definitely can see that coming out now. Definitely, that's what I like to see. And my sister was absolutely right. It definitely feels like a summer day, honestly. So like, comment, and subscribe.